Is the 12th question clear? Anyone has doubt, just tell me to repeat. Okay, question number 13. See the question number 13. This question we have done already. We have done in concept related to this question. We have already done. See what does this question say? A ball whose kinetic energy is E is projected at an angle of 45 to the horizontal. A ball is projected at an angle of 45 and its kinetic energy is E. Okay, initially. A. Yeah, just I'm going to see. हमने ये क्वेश्चन बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो कल मैंने किया था उसी से है ये क्वेश्चन. आपने वो कॉन्सेप्ट भुला दिया. Listen. At maximum height, we have already seen that the potential energy
B option.
आप याद कीजिए पोटेंशियल एनर्जी और काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होता है? हाइट when theta is 45.
सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है सर, वीडियो लाइव हो रही है.
कॉन्सेप्ट आपको दिमाग ध्यान. आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
क्या आ रही है क्लियर? बेटे मेरे मोबाइल में तो एकदम क्लियर आ रही है. यस अमित रॉय, यू आर राइट, इट इज E/2. बेटे मेन ईयर साउंड आ रहा है, इसलिए मैंने पूछा था कि इको भी आ रही है. नाउ सी काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू द पोटेंशियल energy and potential energy also remain E/2. Total energy at this point should be equal to the total energy at this point. It means energy becomes a half. Means each energy, kinetic energy becomes half of the its initial value, and potential energy also becomes half of the kinetic energy at its initial value. So find. Now see this question. It is a very interesting question. I'm just magnifying this question. और
सर वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
भी आएगा कि देखिए a particle is projected with making an angle theta with the horizontal. At any instant its velocity v is at right angle to its initial velocity. Okay, see देखिए मैं आपको ये करके दिखाता हूं. There is a horizontal line and just we have to on a trajectory in this way. At a particular instant, the velocity may be in this direction. And this velocity is perpendicular to the initial velocity. Here the velocity is perpendicular. Try to understand. Okay, see. Here the angle is theta. If this angle is theta, then if we, ध्यान से सुनेंगे, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्टाइल. ये क्वेश्चन मिस किया हुआ था, मैंने अभी तक बताया नहीं था. ये क्वेश्चन अक्सर पूछा जाता है. दिस एंगल is 90. It is the final velocity and here it is the initial velocity. Angle between these two velocities are 90. So what is the angle of this? ये angle क्या होगा? Suppose this angle is alpha. If this angle is alpha, it means what? See, u cos theta here, and if here velocity is v, then v cos alpha means here horizontal velocity is this and final velocity is this. It means what? It means v cos alpha is equal to u cos theta. Why? Because horizontal velocity remain constant. Horizontal velocity constant. Okay. If this velocity remain constant, it means we can write this expression. Now see, what is the relation between alpha and theta? If we draw a line like this, then this angle is theta, this is 90, then this is alpha is 90 minus theta. And if alpha is 90 minus theta, then we can substitute here v cos 90 minus theta is equal to u cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta is the sine theta, so it can be written as v sine theta is equal to u cos theta. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then v is equal to u cos theta upon tan theta, that becomes cot theta. It is cot. Is it clear, bete? Is it clear? Anyone can tell me, is it clear?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Just copy it. Copy it, bete. It's very very important. हम इसके कुछ और parts देखेंगे, इसका थोड़ा elaborate और करेंगे इस question को. So please copy. हम इसमें टाइम निकालेंगे, कितने टाइम के बाद वो परपेंडिकुलर हो सकता है. अब क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक. हाउ मच टाइम it will take to become perpendicular to its initial velocity. And just I'm going to generalize this concept. इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे कई बार क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है, सो आई एम जस्ट जनरलाइजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट कि कोई भी एंगल थी 90 ही क्यों थीटा, हमसे ये भी पूछा जा सकता है कि when will the velocity becomes at 60 degree with the initial velocity, or velocity is at 60 degree with the initial velocity, ये भी पूछा जा सकता है. So just I am going to generalize this. Okay, see, initial velocity is u, and this u can be written as u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap. This is the initial velocity. Okay. And after time t, the velocity, listen carefully, after time t, the velocity u cos theta I cap, okay, plus u sin theta minus half zt square. No. Half zt. अब बोलिए ये मैंने कैसे लिखा? Anyone can tell me? ये मैंने कैसे लिखा? चलिए ये बताइए कि ये समझ में आया मैंने जो लिखा है? यस, v इक्वल टू, वेरी गुड, v इक्वल टू u प्लस 80। और हॉरिजॉन्टल के लिए मैंने क्यों नहीं लिखा? क्योंकि हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी रिमेन कांस्टेंट एट टाइम t। ओके, आई होप कि आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया होगा जो मैंने लिखा है। नाउ सी, एज वी नो, if we want to find the angle between two vectors, then we have to use the concept of dot product. Means u dot v, here we have to find the dot product and divided by magnitude of u.
Your voice is not clear.
And the magnitude of v. How can you find magnitude? हाँ बेटे, I'm just थोड़ा सा lagging है, I'm just checking.
वीडियो भी लैग हो रही है,
आपके क्लास में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगा?
क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
मेरे पास एक चेंज कर रहा हूँ, देखते हैं। Is it clear now? Yes, it is clear. Now this is V. Do you understand this formula? Do you understand this formula, bete?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then cos theta is equal to, see, what is V? V is not known. Okay. If V is not known, it means what? U dot V, what we have written here, divided by U square cot theta. Here I have got the V from this point. We don't know V, but we can calculate V from this. So U is here and V can be substituted by U cos theta. So in this way we can find the, and cot can be brought on this side. The cos theta into cot theta is equal to, हम अभी just I am going to take one numerical on this, and same numerical just we are going to solve by U square. In this way we can solve and we can find the values. Now I'm going to solve this question. Means we have to find the time. Suppose the angle is 60 degree and velocity, suppose the velocity is, or just I'm taking angle 53 degree and velocity is 20 meter per second. If we have to find the time, then we don't have to use such type of formula. First of all, it should be very clear. I'm just going to write the vectors in component form. Initial velocity, that is 53, it means in this section it is how much? Anyone can tell me? 12 I cap plus 16 j cap. Am I right? Initial velocity is 12 I cap plus 16 j cap. And final velocity will be 12 I cap plus 16 minus 10t j cap. I hope it is clear to all. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? ये पार्ट क्लियर है सबको? रिप्लाई तो गुड.